Warm welcome, my dear friends. So, today, as promised, we are discussing chapter wise analysis. So, today, I am coming to start with which chapter or which subject. Can you please tell me? Yes, none other than CMA Final Group 3, the main important subject, none other than strategic financial management. So, we are going to discuss the analysis of SFM. Generally, Group 3 friends, they feel that one of the main weightage, and sometimes they will call it as toughest subject is SFM. But I would like to tell you, this is the one paper, if you properly plan and prepare, you can score easily 70 plus. I am not telling 60 plus. I am very clear. I am telling you, you can easily score 70 plus. Let me tell you how you can able to score it. See this analysis of mark. I have classified into chapters into investments, which is capital budgeting, as per your ICMA module also mentioned for your reference. Then risk analysis in capital budgeting, leasing, securitization, bond, mutual fund, portfolio, forward option. See, as all of you, this I am highlighting our main part. That is, as all of you know that your exam is consist of two part. What are the two part? Can anyone tell me? Yes, first is MCQ part, and another one it is what? Descriptive part. What is the weightage of MCQ part, friends? The weightage of MCQ part is 30 mark. So in this session, section A, we have MCQ 30 marks. So MCQ I will be going to discuss separately. What is a strategy? Now here I am going to take section B, MCQ, that is written descriptive area, where we have to rate 5 out of 7. Very important point that we have choice here. We don't want to rate all the question 5 out of 7. That is, it will start from question number 2 to 8. So those important area I am going to discuss for you today, friends, how to crack this area. See, this is a, you have 7 questions. So I am giving you chapter wise analysis, how these questions are coming for your exam. See, the first module, investment decision, which is coming every time 2A question. Though your first time 22 syllabus came for June 23, I left June 23 question paper because that pattern and current pattern is different. That time the questions are coming for 10, 14 and all. So current pattern is very clear. So I'm not discussing on that. So investment decision. See, every attempt you are getting a 7 mark question. So average is 7 mark. Then evaluation of risk analysis also 7 mark. See, investment decision, I would like to tell you how these questions also coming from. Investment decision, they are coming from, if you take the trend of the question paper, even I have made one video on why some students fail, some students score exemption in lesser days. See some strategy. See this question, repeatedly they are asking from CA in their previous year question. This question they are repeatedly coming from CA inter previous year question. So I request every one of you, what you have to do now, do our whole study material question, then do last 4 year question. Last 4 year CA inter previous year FM subject. They are asking those questions repeatedly. They are asking those questions repeatedly, ditto with any change. You can watch the video which we uploaded already for topic like why students pass, some students fail. It's a fact. This area coming like that. Coming from investment of risky proposal. See, this is very interesting. Our study material is enough. You don't want to refer anywhere. Our study material is enough. By going through our study material, you can score 7 marks. See, let me tell you one main point. See, this is coming under 3A. This is coming under 3A. So, 2A is from investment decision. 2B is from leasing. Leasing also don't want to go much. You go with your study material. See, if you are following my classes, then you can go with our workbook itself. In our workbook, we were discussing all the previous year question, regular question also. Suppose if you are not enrolled to our SFM classes, don't worry. I am just measuring for the benefit of everyone. You can follow with study material and previous year question along. Now coming into next part, my dear friends. See, your 2A is from investment decision. I told how you have to refer CA in the previous year. The evaluation of risky proposal, study material. Leasing also study material. Let me tell you one tricky point. See, for doing this 7 mark 2A, Lot of concept you have to remember, but risky proposal only limited area are there. That is coefficient of variation, RADR, expected value method, decision tree, then simulation, all these little bit similar topic only. So I tell you that this is comparatively very good scoring area. Though both are 7 mark, but coming to this will be little more easy scoring area. Leasing also I told steady material. If your two perspective are there, lesser perspective also, lessee perspective also. Lesser perspective, we have to determine what is the lease rental has to fix it. Lessee perspective, we have to comment on whether to go for a loan or a lease. So we are planning in our Telegram page. I will give in the chat box. Also, we have a separate Telegram page for CMA Final, where from October 1st, we are coming with lot of content. So I will give you lot of short note for on each chapter, so that you can be able to score very good mark. Okay. Now let me go through this security. Yes. So 2A. Now I would like to tell you one of the main area, 14 mark you can track. The first A category question. I would like to tell you the first A category question. What is this 14 mark? Valuation of bond and equity. 6 mark. How you have to refer? This you have to refer CA final previous year question. Then you have to go for CA final practice manual. Practice manual is very useful. See in Google, if you just refer CA final practice manual, you will get old. Here in this practice manual, you can get this chapter SFM in that state practice manual. So we have the chapter, you can able to go, not dividend decision. You have to go for the security analysis chapter, where you can able to get lot of previous year questions. Valuation of shares, valuation of bonds, all those questions, because in our current study material, but you don't want to go through all those questions, you go through only the current pattern which is coming for our exam. So this is very useful. Sir, you are taking CMA strategy, then you are telling about referring CA final. Why? Because this area, they are asking more from CA final. See, the straight value of bond, all those concepts and all, not discussed in your study material. What we can do? See, this is a previous year this is previous year CMA final question, not in your ICMA material, but it is in CA final. So this practice manual specialty is what? They will club up all the questions, or you can even refer your current CA study material book. You can able to go here in students board of studies. You can go for very good number of questions are there, because you have to be very clear. I'm not telling we don't want to study our CMA study material. CMA study material, they are discussing dividend model. You have to learn that. Constant dividend model, dividend growth model, 2-phase, 3-phase, that you have to learn. But further concept, you can get it from here. Only this chapter. I don't want you to learn all the chapter C and all. Because my objective is what? Limited effort, you want to score 70 plus. Limited effort, you want to score 70 plus. Sir, suppose CA final not asking what to do. See, our study material only. We have already covering the dividend discount model, all those models. Then why you want to worry, friends? So that is how the speciality we have. However the question came, we should be able to score it. See the security analysis. This here we have, they discuss superb dividend growth model, equity model. Then they discuss the problem also. Let me show you. But here number of problem are less. Theory they are discussing, because problem is there in previous chapters. No, this kind of question not relevant for us. Let me show you. Here, security valuation. See, valuation of shares, valuation of bond, valuation of debentures. So this 72 page is very, very relevant. See, cash flow based, CAPM, bond. See, this is discussed in your syllabus. Valuation of shares, dividend model, holding period, growth model, multi-growth model. So this is discussed in your study material. Some of them are not discussed in study material, it is in your BVM only. But since they are copying paste from CA final, we have to be very yield to maturity also in our ICMA study material. So we can learn. You can either go with formula method, or you can go with the method which is discussed in your regular class. Okay. Yield method. See the question. I'll show you more questions. But practice manual will give you all those. See here the questions. Value of stocks. All these questions answer discussed at the end. So bonds and shares you can able to go through. See, lot of questions. See, this is one previous year question. See, this is only here also. 250, 12, 20, 36. Same question covered here also. Face value, coupon code, yield to maturity. See, answers are discussed here. So if examiner is asking this area, because 14 mark, you have to prepare 2-day effort or 1-day effort referring CA final previous year question, recent question. You can score this 14 mark. I am very serious. Then mutual fund. See, let me tell you mutual fund. It is also always 7 mark. But let me tell you, I would like to tell you another important. If this is A, I would like to call triple A one topic. What is triple A? See, this mutual fund and portfolio is a related topic. So start with portfolio management, then go with mutual fund. So both put together, you are getting 21 mark. Sir, what you have to prepare? This is your study material. Previous year is enough. Don't want to go for. If you are following our class, you can follow our class workbook. If you are following our classes, you can follow, because in our class workbook, I have selected question from CA Final or some other sources. Because for that alone, you don't want to refer everything. So I am telling you can go for what? Study material or previous year question is enough. Are you clear? The next very important area, triple A area, is Forex. Every time 7A and 7B question are coming from Forex. So Forex is another triple A. See, prepare some time investment on this. See, FOM, if you want to get good mark, make time on Forex. Then this 7 plus 7 derivative. Futures every time one question, options every time one question. Forex not coming always. That is swap not coming always. So 7 plus 7, 14 mark. I would like to call this 14 because related topic 7 plus. So this is also we have A part. So triple A we have 2 part. Portfolio mutual fund put together AA, and we have Forex AA. Then derivative, that is futures and options A, and securitization A. See the point, 5 dear friends. 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus. So we have this 14. Apart from that, I have told you one more 14. Correct? That is derivative. So 14 plus 1 more 14. Then mutual fund 7 mark. These 4 or 5 topic alone, you are getting 63 mark, friends. 63 mark. Take another 30 mark MCQ. What is the mark now? 93. Now this you are writing 73B and 74B. So what is 73A? 73A is risky analysis. So learn that risk analysis in capital budgeting. Learn that risk analysis in capital budgeting. You are getting 100 out of 100. Who will tell you this kind of strategy? I am there for you, my dear friends. We are coming with these strategies for you. SFM is not a nightmare subject for you. We are helping you all this area. Now, someday problem is getting difficult. What you have to do? One problem you can go with MCQs. That is theory point. Digital finance, every time one 5 mark question. Securitization, every time one 4 mark question. Then module 4, international financial market. That is ADR, GDR, then World Bank, all those questions every time 5 mark. So 5 plus 4, 14 mark. So suppose if any problem question is difficult, you can depend upon the theory also. See how interesting? So that means you can able to score very good mark with this. Seriously. See, I am not telling this leasing, investment decision and all tough. It is easy only, you learn that. Because if you feel Forex is difficult, you can go with that. Are you clear? So this is the strategy. So I request all of you to note the same. See the point, all these topic. See all these topic, how it is coming. See leasing, investment decision, all those topic you have to work on it. Clear, friends? So that is why this area is very, very important. So my dear friends, see this AA part, Forex, portfolio management, including mutual fund. Then you have A part. What is A part? Equity and bond valuation, and next is forward and futures and options, derivative part. Swap also not much coming always, because they are following a systematic approach. So what is this 7744? This is the mark. This is the question. So every time 2A coming from investment decision, 3A is coming for risk analysis, 2B is coming for leasing, 8C is coming for securitization, 73B and 74A is coming for what? Equity and bond. That is 73B is coming for equity. Then 74A is coming for what? Bond. Every time coming, my dear friends. Mutual fund 74B, then 6A forward and future. 7 both A and B is coming for portfolio management. So this will be helpful. So I request all of you follow this technique and crack with it. Are you clear? So please use this technique and score maximum mark. All the best, my dear friends. So I would like to tell you that we have a special Telegram page. So follow those Telegram page. Okay. My dear friends, from October 1st in our Telegram channel, we have separately for CA, CMA, Inter, Final, Foundation, we are giving MCQ polls, exam tip, marathon classes, free webinars, study materials, everything link we are giving. So be part of this community so you can be able to join the Telegram. I will give in the chat box Telegram link also, and I want to give you many points. See, as all of you know that we are the #1 providers for test series for CMA, and we are launched a different plan for CMA, because once you prepare, this is not just a marketing, my dear friends. I am very clear. See, we are giving value addition, but at the end of the day, we have to check how you are performing. So in CMA, all the level, we are coming with lot of test plan where we are giving for access how to MCQ, because MCQ practice is relevant. I am telling you very clear, we won't take any different kinds of MCQ. We will take MCQ only from CMA study material and previous year question, because that is keep on asking for the exam. Be ready with the concept. I have already run a video separately for how to crack MCQs strategies. That also you can able to watch in our YouTube page. So I want to give you one thing, that all these main plan, that is Astra and Platinum and Node, in this Vijayadashmi, we are coming with a flat 20% off, my dear friends. So we are coming with a flat 20% off for all the CA, CMA, CS courses main plan. So you can contact, or you can directly with the entering this coupon code, or you can contact this number where they will give you a clear-cut idea on how can you crack it. Because especially in the Platinum plan, next 2.5 months, I will be going to monitor each student, how their performance. Every 2 weeks, there will be a separate mentorship session also there for you to boost your performance. So my dear friends, we are there for your preparation. So we are coming with all these ABC analysis for your preparation and free Telegram channel. If you want to measure your performance, if you want any mentorship, then you can come up with a Platinum plan where we will give you a personalized guidance for your success. With this, I am winding up, my dear friends, and before that, one more point. We were launched a video also for CMA. So if you want to get our SFM classes, you can able to get it. And I made it affordable for you. That is 1 month if you want to take 2950, including all the charges, GST, whatever. But book will not be there. You can able to get our SFM session. If you want 3 months also, you can go slightly the price. So my dear friends, if you wish to go with this video session where I discussed SFM, full syllabus, full workbook, everything in detail for you, so you can able to enroll the same. So you can able to purchase, and accordingly you can able to add it. See, we are done 100% English lectures, and we are covered all the ICMA study material and all the previous year relevant current syllabus and previous year syllabus also. So why you want to wait for? We have the time, and we have to utilize the time effectively, my dear friends. So with this, I am winding up this session, and be ready for the next video. We'll come up with the SEM and other subjects. Till then, all the best. God bless you, my dear friends.